Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns is getting too hot to touch, it's likely due to degraded thermal paste. This can cause your laptop to overheat, leading to potential damage to internal components if not addressed promptly. Overheating can result in performance issues and may even shorten the lifespan of your device. To remedy this, we will be replacing the thermal paste. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by ensuring your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of the screws, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Next, locate the CPU and GPU, which are usually covered by a heat sink. You will need to remove the heat sink to access the old thermal paste. Unscrew the heat sink carefully, noting the order of the screws, as you will have to replace them in the same manner. Once the heat sink is off, you will see the old thermal paste. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to gently clean both the CPU and the heat sink, removing any residue. Now, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU, about the size of a pea. When you reattach the heat sink, the thermal paste will spread evenly over the surface. Carefully place the heat sink back in position and secure it with the screws in the order you noted earlier. Make sure to apply even pressure while tightening to avoid damaging the components. Once everything is securely fastened, replace the back panel of the laptop and screw it back into place. Reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your device. Check that the laptop is functioning correctly and monitor the temperature to ensure it is no longer overheating. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your laptop is well ventilated and clean out any dust from the vents regularly. Consider using a cooling pad for added airflow during intensive tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.